Hi guys, Tushar Topale, proud founder and CEO, Cloud Counselage Pvt Limited. It's IT and management services company with a social cause at heart. It's a social enterprise to help the students and freshers in millions, pan India and globally, get job ready in time. Build a global ecosystem of 100 million professionals, 1 million companies, 1 lakh colleges across 100 plus countries. We need to build that global ecosystem to bring those 85 million jobs or 8.5 crore jobs which are going to go vacant till 2030. If we make our youth job ready in time, we can bring those jobs to India, bringing along multi-million dollar business to India.